Welcome to Pink Art. Today I'm sharing the story behind my latest painting, Beyond the Crack, My Watchful Muse. This piece explores the mystical connection between artist and muse. I start with the foundation, with the turquoise walls that frame the muse. Turquoise represents creativity, intuition, and the infinite possibilities of the imagination. I'm using broad strokes to cover the canvas, setting the stage for the story to unfold. I bring my muse to life, starting with flesh tones. This warm color represents vulnerability and humanity. Notice how the turquoise walls seem to recede, making way for the muse's presence. As I blend the colors, I'm thinking of the subtle emotions I want to convey in the muse's expression. Her face will be the focal point. I'm using warm and cool tones to create depth, features and dimension to her face. To symbolize passion, I introduce reds to define her lips, dark reds on her cheeks to accentuate her cheekbones. I'm using loose expressive strokes to capture her hair. A rich earthy brown represents stability, warmth, and grounding. Now I add a touch of serenity to the muse's face. I gently add a soft highlight to her closed eyes, nose, forehead, and chin, accentuating the contours of her face. Within these delicate touches, I want to evoke a sense of calm radiance, as if her inner light is illuminating her entire being. Now I'm refining the crack in the wall, narrowing the opening to emphasize the muse's enigmatic presence. By pushing her face further back, I'm creating a sense of depth and mystery, inviting the viewer to lean in and explore. Now I'm producing more cracks and textures to the wall, emphasizing the contrast between the rugged, weathered surface and the soft, serene beauty of the muse. I'm introducing rich yellow ochre hues to the wall, applying thick, textured paint with a palette knife. The thick texture creates a sculptural quality. The wall transforms into a tactile, almost three-dimensional entity. The textured paint resembles ancient, weathered stone, adding an air of antiquity. And now I'm adding the final touches to the muse's hair, enhancing her lips. I am enriching the wall's texture with more detail, drawing lines and highlights with the palette knife to create depth and dimension. The bold strokes evoke the passage of time, etching stories into the wall's surface. Next, I'm crafting shadows to amplify the wall's tactile quality, inviting the viewer to explore its rugged terrain. The palette knife strokes convey the expressive freedom of artistic gesture. This interplay of light and darkness illuminates the tension between the muse's inner world and external forces that shape her. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey. Please like,